In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reset signed Pandadoc. When a Pandadoc document has already been signed, you cannot truly reset that same signed file back to an editable, unsigned state. Signed documents are meant to stay locked for record keeping and compliance. The practical way to create a fresh version for signatures is to duplicate the signed document, edit the copy, and then send the updated version. I will walk you through that process now. First, go to your Pandadoc workspace and look to the left-hand sidebar. Find and click the Documents tab. This is where you will see your list of files including drafts, sent documents, and anything that has already been completed. Next, locate the document that has been signed. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct one, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. Once you find the signed document, look to the right side of that document row for the three dots icon, sometimes labeled as Moreau. Click that three dots icon to open the action menu for that specific document. From the menu, choose the option that says Duplicate or Make a Copy. Pandadoc will create a new document that mirrors the signed one, but this new copy is editable and can be sent out again. This is important because it keeps the original signed agreement intact while giving you a clean version to update. After the copy is created, open the newly created document. You may notice it has a similar name, sometimes with the word copy added. Open it, then click Edit to enter the editor. At this point, make your necessary changes. This could mean correcting text, updating pricing, adjusting dates, or editing fields for the signer. As you edit, pay close attention to any signature, initial, or date fields to make sure they are still placed correctly and assigned to the right recipient. When you are satisfied with the updates, click Send. This will deliver the new version for signature, as if it is a fresh document. Double-check the recipients and the message before you send, since this version is the one that will be signed moving forward. And that is all there is to it.